Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Score with me. Score with Me channel is created mainly with the purpose of helping aspirants in cracking various competitive exams. So we'll be dealing with mainly two sections. One is quantitative aptitude and the other one is reasoning. Starting with quantitative aptitude section, it deals everything with numbers. So when numbers comes into role, solving a particular question is not the main goal. Anyone can solve a question. What is the main priority here is to solve the question precisely, accurately, and that too with a minimum period of time. And that is where any institution or any trainer would help the students. We'll begin our session. So we have come with the most important and the very basic topic in quantitative aptitude, and that is speed maths. So why have we started with speed maths? We have come with speed maths just with a simple thing in mind, that is to help anyone who is going to do any sort of calculation within a very small limited period of time. So what we require in any competitive exam is to crack a question or solve a question in very short amount of time, and that is what is needed as well. So we'll begin with two-digit multiplication here. So I'll show you both traditional and our shortcut method. So traditional method, let us see how do we get the answer for 12 into 34. Let us take a very small example. So if we do 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 3 2s are 6 and a 3 over here. So on adding we have 4 not 8. This becomes a cat. Okay. So here we see that we have gone two operations here, 2 times multiplication, here again 2 times multiplication, we have added here 3 times. So in total we have got 4 plus 3, 7 operations being done here. This has to be reduced because in an examination to complete a question we require a very small amount of time. And here we are with a short technique. So 12 into 34. So we'll take here answer in single step. So here we'll come with the rightmost digit first. So we have 2 into 4 and 2 into 4 is 8. That will be written on the rightmost side. Since there is no carry, we'll leave it as it is. Next, we need the center digit, isn't it? So how we do that? We'll multiply the middle numbers, 3 into 2, 6, and then we'll multiply the extreme numbers as well, 1 into 4, and here we get 4. So 6 plus 4 we have 10, 0 over here, carry comes here. And now we need the leftmost number. Just as we had done in the initial way, 2 into 4 we got 8, that was multiplying the rightmost digits. Now the same thing we'll do with the leftmost digits. We'll have 1 into 3 and that is 3. Already we had a carry, so we have 4 not 8. Let me show you one more example, or I'll repeat the same thing once again. 12 into 34. To get the rightmost digit, we multiply the rightmost terms. So here we have 4 into 2, 8. So I have 8 here. Next, to get the middle number, we'll multiply the middle terms or the middle digits. 2 into 3, 6. And the extreme digits, 4 into 1. That is 4. We'll add them. So 6 plus 4, we have 10. 1 became here carry. And now to get the leftmost digit, we will multiply the leftmost numbers in these two numbers. So that is 1 into 3 and here we have 4. 4 not 8 is our number. We will come with another one more question. So we will have 24 into 34. If we require the answer, what we have? The rightmost digits. So 4 into 4 first, 16. 1 comes as a carry. Next, we need the center terms. So we have two multiplications being done simultaneously, that will be getting added. So middle terms, 4 into 3 we get 12. Add on with the extreme digits multiplication, 4 into 2, 8. So 12 plus 8 we get 20. We had already a carry over here 1. So that is 21 now. Now the leftmost digits, 3 into 2 we have 6, carry 2, so it is 8 ones. So that is all about two-digit multiplication, and it is very easy. We need not depend on these traditional methods anymore. We can get the answer of any two-digit multiplication just within seconds. So now that we have got clear with two-digit multiplication in a very quick and fast way, similarly, let us go for three-digit multiplication. Now here also we'll start with an example. Let us take the basic example of 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 4, 5, 6. Okay, so before we go to our simple way, we'll go with the traditional method first. So when we multiply 1, 2, 3 into 4, 5, 6, we need to multiply it totally three times, totally 9 times. So 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, and a carry here, so there's 13, 6 1s are 6, plus 1, 7. After shift, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, plus 1, 11. Now 5 1s are 5, carry over 1, 6. Third multiplication, 4 3s are 12, carry, 4 1s are 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, and a 4 over here. So we have come to our answer, and that is 8 plus 2 10, and here it is 16. So 56088 is our answer in traditional method. So here we can see how many operations are there in total. 3 multiplication, 3 multiplication, and 3 times multiplication. So in total we have gone, multiplication has been done 9 times and addition has been done 5 times. Okay, so in total we have 14 operations. This needs to be reduced because each and every time we do a calculation, we multiply, we add, it is taking some time. This needs to be reduced. So let us see how we can reduce. And this is the method which we are going to follow. It is just the way in which we are going to multiply and add. So here each thing indicates that we have got two numbers at the end of each line. So here straight line means we are multiplying the top number with the bottom number. So here we are multiplying in a cross way. Here again a cross and a vertical multiplication. So each time we'll be multiplying here two numbers, here two numbers. Totally we are multiplying two numbers and we are adding and writing the result on the second place. So what we'll be doing during exam is we'll be writing only each digit over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we'll be getting our 5 numbered answer. Okay, and this is the way in which we will be carrying out multiplication and ultimately we'll be adding them. So we'll come and see how it is. So the first stick, that is the vertical line, here we have 6 3s are 18. So here you can compare, we have got our first digit. Now the second one, it is a cross. So cross also involves two numbers. So this is a cross and we'll be taking, we have started from right side, 3 into 6. Next we'll take this block. So we'll be multiplying 2 into 6, that will be 12, and 5 3s are 15. So total is 27 and we'll be writing this number here. 27, and already we had got a carry over here, so we'll be adding that here. So we'll be writing it as 28. So here we got our second number, second digit. Okay, now coming to the third digit. So I'll erase this off, and now we are going to do our third multiplication, and that is this pattern, the center number. So as you can see, a big cross. So that big cross indicates 6 into 1 6, 3 into 4 12, and 2 into 5 10. So we have done 3 multiplications simultaneously and we will be writing the sum alone here. So 8 to 28 and a carry over here, so we get 30. So now we are done with our center digit as well. So we are done with this. Now coming to the next cross. So as you would be remembering, in the starting we did 3 into 6. Second step was this box. So this time what we are doing, we have completed the complete order. Now we are going to take the next box. So our next box will be 1, 2, 4 and 5. So here we will be multiplying now 1 into 5. So we will get 5 and we will be adding that with 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. We have a carry of 3 here already. So 13 plus 3 will give you 16. So now we are with our fourth digit as well. Now left with the next one, a vertical sign with two numbers, that is the leftmost one. So 4 into 1, 4, and I carry over here 5. So our multiplication became as simple as this. And this multiplication we can complete within 10 to 15 seconds, provided we are not going to write any of these things in examination time. So this thing has to be done mentally, and we'll be completing our multiplication this many steps alone. Okay, so we'll be repeating this once again. I'll repeat this once again. So again we'll repeat this. So starting with the pattern that we have followed earlier. First one, the vertical pattern with 2 multiplication, 3 into 6. Directly we can write since nothing is involved here. No extra additions. 6 3s are 18. Next we have got a cross. So this time the cross will be 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15, sorry. So 12 plus 15 will give you 27. A carry over here already. So it is now 28. So second digit, 2 digits covered. Now the third digit that we have is the extreme things getting multiplied. 6 1s are 6. So 6. 4 3s are 12. 6 plus 12 is 18. 5 2s are 10. 18 plus 10 is 28. We already have 2 carries. So 28 plus 2 is 30. Okay. So now we have got the center digit as well. So it is 0. So after this, we will be giving like the next one. Next set of couple. So 5 1s are 5. 4 2s are 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. Now getting to the last most part, 4 into 1. That is your vertical pattern. 4 into 1. So 4 into 1 plus 1 carry 5. So 5 6 0 8 8. Now this is the multiplication for 3-digit numbers. So we are here with the second example for 3-digit multiplication. We have 254 into 789. We are not going with the traditional method anymore. We'll go with the pattern. So the first pattern is taking the rightmost digit, 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. Carry we write over here. So we have got the leftmost digit now. Now coming to the next digit, we have 9 5s are 45. 8 4s are 32. So 32 plus 45 will give you 77. We have a carry over here 3 already. So 77 plus 3 will give you 80. So 8 carry 0 over here. Second digit. Now coming to the third part, third digit, center digit, we have to multiply the extreme numbers and the middle numbers as well, digits. So 9 2s are 18, 7 4s are 28, the center one, 8 5s are 40. So multiply all these things and you will be getting the sum of 6 plus 1, 7, and a carry over here 8. So it is 86. Already we have got a 8 here. So now we have 94. 9 gets as carried. Now we have to go with multiplication of 2 digits, isn't it? So here next block that we have, we started with 5 4 and 9. Then we had this square block. Then we took the complete 3 digit. Now we are going with the next block. This is our last block. So we will be multiplying 8 2s are 16, 7 5s are 35. The total will be 51. 51 plus 9 will give you 60. 6 carry 0 over here. Next, the last part and the extreme one. 7 2s are 14. Carry over 6. So 14 plus 6 will give you 20. So 200406 is our answer. So now that we have seen these many examples, we will be able to solve any number very quickly and more smartly, not like we have been doing it before. Okay, so knowing a simple trick or a shortcut method is not going to be sufficient unless and until we don't make it a routine. So now onwards, whenever you're going to do any calculation from any topic in quantitative aptitude, make it a point to follow the simple trick. Only if you keep on practicing these tricks, when it comes to the exam point of view, we'll be able to do this there at that particular point of time and save our time. Okay, so with this, let me stop. And if you found this session really helpful, I would request you to subscribe to this channel and like the videos. In the upcoming videos, we'll be dealing with more topics related to quantitative aptitude and reasoning. Thank you.